What's up, guys? Welcome back to Distorted. Today I'm gonna give you a guide on where to get the XP coins. So starting with the green XP coins, one's below Coral Castle, the other one's in Salty, one's in Stark Industries, and one's like in the below Steamy Stacks. Next is the blue one. One's on the mountain, the snowy one. The other one's in retail, and the last one seems to be above Craggy Cliffs. And for the purple ones, one is in Catty Corner, the other one's above Doom's Domain. Yeah, and then for the gold, there seems to be two this week. So one's in Stark and the other one's at east of Weeping or below Authority. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your friends. And if you wanna see more of these XP coins, make sure to subscribe and see you guys.